In this video, I'm going to explain how you can add glows to your drawings using Photoshop. So let's get this video rolling. So we have this beautiful image which I downloaded online here. And the first thing you want to do is to make it dark. So just bring up your levels and then make it dark and add some contrast as well. So I'm going to first clip it to your drawing and then make it a bit darker and also add some contrast to your drawing. Now we are going to add a solid color to it and then we are going to paint. So just choose any color you want. I'm going to choose yellow because I really like yellow. Then you have your yellow here. Invert it because we are going to paint it back. And now I want to paint it to his eyes and this kind of mark he has going on the eye. So just pick your brush tool and then reduce the size to whatever you want. Just use the brackets to reduce the size. And now you want to paint along the eyes. You can put the flow at around 10% and then make the brush soft round, and then now you can paint around the eyes. Going to paint on the eye and then also the mark he has over here. Now to review the lines below our painting, just come to the blending options and then come here to underline layer and then bring this down, and you realize the black lines under the painting begins to show, and that's what we want. It's going to make your painting look much more nicer. So just bring it down to your preferred point. I think this is okay for me. Just click OK. Now I'm going to make the lines over here also glowy, so we want to create another solid color. Now we want to make stroke around this design over here so that we make it glowy as well. But before you do that, we are going to use the pen tool. But before we do that, make sure your brush tool is selected and then push the flow up to 100 and then make sure the size is what you want. So make sure your size is what you want as well. Make sure it's also at hard round pressure opacity. Now come to your pen tool here and then draw your points along the design here. Right click and then come down to stroke path. Make sure the brush tool is selected. If it's not selected, click this and then select it. Now click OK. Now you have a nice stroke around your design here. Now I want to do the same thing for this triangle design here as well. To clear your points, just right click and then click delete path. Now it's time to add glow to our designs here. So we want to create another solid color here. So just duplicate this one and then just right click and then delete the layer mask. And then you want to create another mask for it and then invert it by clicking Ctrl I. Now select your brush tool and then make sure the flow is very low. So I'm going to use something around 5 or 4. And then have your brush at soft round. And then increase the brush size as well. Now you want to paint along the lines to add a glow effect. Also make sure you have linear dodge add selected. Then paint along the lines. going to give this nice glow effect to your drawing. Now make your brush even bigger, then add a big global glow around your drawing. So just click on it and it will be adding the glow gradually. Then I think this looks okay to me. So when you zoom out, you can see this nice glow effect on our drawing. Now we want to add the same effect to the eye as well. So we just want to come in, and then there's the layer we used for the eye. So I'm going to create it on top of it. Duplicate that as well by clicking Ctrl J, delete the mask, add a new mask, and then change it to linear dodge add. Click Ctrl I and then start painting. Now after doing this, when there is light, it will cast light to other parts on our drawing here as well. So we want to go and add those highlights onto our drawing here. So we are just going to zoom in and then create another solid, and then we are going to zoom in and then create another solid color, which is obviously going to be the same yellow color. So let's just duplicate this yellow we have here and then use that as our highlights. And then for the highlights, I'll make the flow around 10%. Now what you want to ask yourself is, all these lights, where would they cast their lights onto? So it's probably not going to cast lights to the top of the head, but it's going to cast lights to around some parts of the mask, the eyelids, the nose, and other parts. So we are going to create our highlights over there accordingly. So I'm going to paint some highlights around his nose this way, and we are going to have some around here as well. Now this design is also going to cast some light to the hair and the hair here as well. So let's do that as well. Now we can reduce or increase the opacity to see what that also does as well. So I'm just going to reduce the opacity to about 80%. I think I like how our drawing looks right now. Now I'm going to add a highlight from the left hand side onto our drawing as well. So with that, I'm just going to create a solid color, and I'm going to use blue color for that. Now with the highlight as well, make sure the blending mode is at linear dodge add. Select your brush tool and then change it to a very soft flow, and then paint onto your drawing. Now we have to clear the excess part. We want the light to only affect the drawing here, so we have to clear the parts we do not need. So to clean the excess part, change the foreground color, reduce the size, make the flow 100, and then change it to hard round pressure opacity, and then clean the excess parts we do not need. Now let's add a highlight onto the left hand side to give this kind of nice glowy effect. But before that, let's add an exposure to our highlight here to give it much more of a glow. So just come down to this icon and then choose exposure. Now clip it to the highlights and then increase it a little bit to give it much more of a glow. It brightens it up a little bit for you so you can see it. So just increase it a little bit. This should be fine. Now let's create another solid color and then add a glow to the left hand side to make it even more nice. And then that's it. We have our glows on our drawing. Now you can make it look more nice by just decreasing the levels so that you can see your glows even better. So let's just decrease the levels a bit, add more contrast, and then now you see our drawing looks even much more, the glow pops even much more better, and now it looks nice. So that's the simple way of adding glows to your drawings. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to show it by leaving a like. And also, if you are new to this channel, I want to let you know that I post videos just like this every week. So don't forget to subscribe, and it also helps this channel a lot. So I see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.